question number 5 now. 2y minus 3 is less than y plus 1 is less than equal to 4y plus 7 and y belongs to R. We have to find the solution set and plot it on the number line. Now again we are going to divide it into two parts. 2y minus 3 is less than 5 plus 1. Let's solve this and then we'll solve second and third, get the value of y. So 2y minus y will be 1 plus 3. 2y is less than equal to 4, or y will be less than 2. And it belongs to set of real numbers. It belongs to set of real numbers. Second one is y plus 1 is less than equal to 4y plus 7. Bring y terms one side and 7 minus 1. This is minus 3y less than equal to 6, or when we divide it by minus 3, obviously as we told you that if you divide with a negative number, the sign of inequality reverses itself, so y will become greater than minus 2. So actually the solution set will be y belongs to set of real numbers, and what is this? Y is greater than equal to minus 2 and less than 2. Y is greater than equal to minus 2 and less than 2. Number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. As we told you, we plot few points. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is greater than equal to minus 2. It is equal to minus 2, also greater than minus 2. That is why we are putting a straight line on top of that, because it is included. Less than 2 means this side, and then we just shade it. So all the values starting with minus 2 till 2 but not equal to 2. It is less than 2. That is why we have indicated with the help of this curve. And when it is equal to, we show with the help of this. And all the values in between these are part of this inequation. So we are solving into two parts, first and second, then second and third. Then combine the result together, write the solutions and then plot it on the number line. Depending what is the replacement set. The replacement set is here is y belongs to R, that means a set of real numbers. In the previous question, if I remember, fourth one it was set of natural numbers, and first and second it was integers. So your solution set will depend upon what your replacement set was. Like here, replacement set was integers, real numbers, natural numbers, real numbers, and for next three questions it is set of real numbers. Let us do question number 6 now. Let's see question number 6. Minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 is less than equal to 5 upon 6. X belongs to set of real numbers. X belongs to set of real numbers. Again, we need to remove the denominator. The 6 can be the LCM. Let us multiply all the numerators by 6, and we are multiplying with plus 6, so there is no question of change of sign. Minus 1 upon 2 into 6, minus 2 upon 3 into x into 6, and less than 5 upon 6 into 6. So these 6 will cancel. It will become minus 18, less than 2 3s are 6, so minus 3 and minus 4x, because 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4x. Minus 3 minus 2x is less than equal to 5 because 6 is cancelled. Now let us add 3 on all the sides. Minus 18 plus 3 less than minus 3 plus 3 minus 4x and 5 plus 3. Because here only one x is involved, so I would like to do it in one go. It is minus 15. It will cancel. It will become minus 4x and it will become 8. Now I am going to divide with negative 4. When we are going to divide with negative 4, this sign of inequality will reverse. Minus 15 upon minus 4, minus 4x upon minus 4 and 8 upon minus 4. Sign of inequality will reverse itself. It was less than, it became greater than, it was less than equal to, it became greater than equal to. So 15 upon 4, it is x and it is minus 2. So x is greater than equal to minus 2 but less than 15 upon 4. 15 upon 4 means 4 3s are 12 and 3 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are 20, 3.75. So x is actually greater than equal to minus 2 and less than 3.75, and x is such that x belongs to R. This is your solution set. Now if I have to plot it on the number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.75 will be somewhere here, and minus 2 is this side, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It is greater than equal to minus 2, so it is greater than equal to 2 minus 2 but less than 3.75, less than 3.75. 4 is here, this is 3.75. This is the graphical representation of this inequation. This is how we represent it on the number line. You have to be careful when you are dividing with negative and when you are multiplying with negative. We have told you in the beginning that with the laws that whenever you are dividing, when you are multiplying, what is happening is that you are changing the sign of inequality. Like here we divided with minus 4, then sign of inequality have reversed themselves, and you have to be careful what is the replacement set. What is the replacement set? Because solution set will come accordingly and plotting of the equation will be done accordingly. Now let's see question number 8, 7. 7 is 4x minus 19 is less than 3x upon 5 minus 2 less than equal to minus 2 upon 5 x 2 by 5 plus x. First of all, let us remove this 5 from the denominator by multiplying everything by 5. We can multiply everything by positive 5. So if I multiply it by 5, 5 4s are 20x, 19 by 5 is 95, and then I will say it is 3x upon 5, 5 will cancel, 5 to the 10, and here minus 2 plus 5x. 5 will cancel, 5 into x, here 5 will cancel, 3x 11, 5 to the 10. We have multiplied everything by 5. 5 4s are 20, 19 5s are 95. Now let us do, first take 20x minus 95 is less than 3x minus 10. Is less than 3x minus 10. Let us bring x to one side. 2x, 20x minus 3x will be less than 95 minus 10. So 17x will be less than 85. So x will be less than 5. 17 5s are 85. We divide by 17. There is no change of sign because it was positive, so there was no need to do anything. And second is 3x minus 10 is less than minus 2 plus 5x. Let's bring x term to one side and constant term to another side. 3x minus 5x is less than equal to minus 2 plus 10. 3x minus 5x minus 2x is less than equal to 8. Now let us, because it is minus here, I want to find, so I will divide it by minus 2, the sign of inequality will reverse. X is greater than or equal to minus 4. X is less than 5. Now x belongs to set of real numbers. Replacement set is set of real numbers here. X belongs to set of real numbers. X is greater than or equal to minus 4 and less than 5. Less than 5. I have to plot this on the number line. So how do we plot it on the number line? Again we are going to draw a line here, number line. Number line you know how to draw. At least one more point than the end points we should draw. Like it is 5 extreme point here, so I am plotting it till 6, and it is extreme minus 4, so minus 5 we can show it. Now it is greater than or equal to minus 4, so it is here, and less than 5, less than 5. That means all the values, all the numbers starting from minus 4, including minus 4, till 5, till plus 5, but 5 is not included. All the numbers before 5 are there, but not 5. But not 5. So that is how we get the solution set. Remember that time and again we are talking of two things, that let's solve in 2-2 portion maximum time. First and second we took, second and third we took. But before that, if denominator was there, if something was in denominator, we multiplied everything by the same number to remove, or by LCM to remove that denominator, to make equation simpler. Like it was 5 and 5, so I multiplied the whole equation by 5. Since I am multiplying it with positive 5, there is no change of inequality, sign of inequality. I multiplied everything by 5. When I multiplied everything by 5, I got 20x minus 95 less than 3x minus 10 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 5x. Each individual term should be multiplied by 5. You got to be careful when you're doing that. Now we take the first two, 20x minus 95 less than 3x minus 10. I'll shift x term to one side and constant term to other side. Like you do in an equation, we shifted 3x to this side and 95 to that side. 17x is less than 85, so x will be less than 5. 17 5s are 85. Then we took second and third. 3x minus 10 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 5x. We brought x term to one side. 3x minus 5x is less than or equal to minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2x less than or equal to 8. And when we are going to divide it with minus 2, obviously the sign of inequality will reverse. We have told you time and again, whenever we are dividing by negative number or multiplying with a negative number, the sign of inequality reverses itself. It was less than equal to, it became greater than equal to. Now when you combine the first and second result, x is greater than equal to minus 4 and less than 5. So you plot between minus 4 and 5 and take 1 point ahead of minus 4 to this side, extreme left, and 1 to the extreme right. And both arrows should indicate that this line is going to infinity. Another thing is minus 4 greater than equal to minus 4. It is greater than also, it is equal to also. That is why I have drawn a line on top of this, a perpendicular line at minus 4. But it is less than 5, so I have drawn a curve like this, showing less than. I am not showing more than. More than would have gone to that side. So less than, and then all the numbers from here to here on the number line will be the part of this inequation. Now let us see question number 8. Minus x upon 3 is less than equal to x upon 2 minus 4 upon 3 less than 1 upon 6. X belongs to set of real numbers. Again, replacement set is set of real numbers. Again, you see that 3 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 6 is there in the denominator. Let us multiply the complete inequation by 6. So minus x upon 3 into 6 less than equal to x upon 2 into 6. I am multiplying with a positive number. So there is nothing, no change in the inequality. I am multiplying everything by 6. 3 2s are 6, it becomes minus 2x less than equal to x, 2 3s are 6, 3x, 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are 8, less than 1, less than 1. Now let us take the first portion as minus 2x less than equal to 3x minus 8 minus 2x minus 3x less than equal to minus 8 minus 5x less than equal to minus 8. Now I will divide both sides with negative 5. So when I am going to divide it with negative 5, the sign of inequality will reverse itself. So x will become greater than equal to 8 upon 5. Because both sides negative are there, but it will change. And actually 5 on the 5 and 5 6 are 30. So x is greater than 1.6. 5 on the 5, 3 will be left, and 5 6 are 30. Second one is 3x minus 8. 3x minus 8 is less than 1. Or 3x is less than 9. Or x is less than 3. X is less than 3. So x is greater than equal to 1.6 and less than 3. So solution set is actually x belongs to R such that x is greater than equal to 1.6 and less than 3. Now I have to plot it on the number line. So again we will plot the number line like this. It is 3 and 1.6 actually. So 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is great 1.6. 1.6 will be somewhere. 1.5 will be exactly in the center. Ahead of that will be 1.6. It is equal to 1.6 and less than 3. Less than 3. Less than 3. This is the solution set, and this is the representation of the set on the number line. Let's see question number 9 now. Inequation. These are all questions which I picked up from the board examination of 10th from ICSC for your benefit, so you know that what kind of questions they come and how simple they are for you to solve, and you definitely get a question of 4 marks of inequations. Let us see question number 9. Minus 2, 5 upon 6 less than 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 2. Replacement set is set of whole numbers. Now it is set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first of all let us solve this mixed fraction into simple fractions. x 2 are 12 pi 17 upon 6 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 2. It is 6 here, it is 2 here, it is 3 here. There is nothing here. So 6, I can multiply the complete inequation by 6. Minus 17 upon 6 into 6. 1 upon 2 into 6. Minus 2x upon 3 into 6. And is less than 2 into 6. I am multiplying with the positive numbers, so inequality will remain the same. Like this will cancel. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So minus 17 less than equal to 3 minus 4x less than equal to 12. Now since x is involved at one place, I can do it in one step. If x was involved here or involved here, I would have preferred to do it in 2 steps. But since x is involved in the middle term, I can do it in one step only. Now what am I going to do? Subtract 3. I subtracted 3, so this cancels with this. It will become 20 less than minus 4x, and 12 minus 3 is 9. Now I am going to divide the whole inequation by minus 4, and when I multiply or divide with a negative number, the sign of inequality reverses itself. So let us do that. Minus 20 upon minus 4, minus 4x upon minus 4, and 9 upon minus 4. Sign of inequality will reverse. It was less than, it became greater than. It was less than equal to, it became greater than. It will be 5, it will be x, and it will be, if I divide it by 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 upon 4, minus 2.25, yes, 2.25, it is negative, and it belongs to a set of whole numbers. So I would not bother about minus number because whole numbers start from 0. Now solution set will be x belongs to a set of whole numbers, and it is what? X is greater than equal to minus 2 is to 1 upon 4 less than 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually this, even we don't have to write this, we can write directly this to be the set of whole numbers, because I am not writing them in the set builder notation, I am writing them in the discrete form or roster form. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2. Because I will read clearly this, because this, any number which is less than 0 will not be involved in this, because whole numbers start from 0 only. So we will take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your representation of this inequation on the number line. This is the representation of this on the number line, and this is how we write the solution set. That is how we write the solution set. Now let us see question number 10, and these questions should be enough for you. I only will discuss after that in my next lecture the question related to this. We will give you a graph, we will give you a plotting and ask you to write the corresponding inequation. We will do a few questions on that, and that shall finish this chapter completely. Question number 10. It is 13x minus 5 is less than 15x plus 4 is less than 7x plus 12, and x belongs to set of real numbers. X belongs to set of real numbers. X belongs to set of real numbers. So what am I going to do? Here replacement set is set of real numbers. We will, because x is involved in every inequation, so we will take pair of 2, 2. I will take first first and second, 13x minus 5 less than 15x plus 4. Let us bring x term to one side. Let us bring x term to one side. That is 13x minus 15x 4 plus 5. 13x minus 15x is minus 2x is less than 9. We divide by negative 2. When I divide a number, an inequation by a negative number, the sign of inequality reverses itself. So if it is minus 2x upon minus 2, 9 upon minus 2, it will become like this. Less than will become greater than. So x will be greater than equal to 9 upon 2, so minus 4.5. Minus 4.5. Now let us take the second part. 15x plus 4 is less than 7x plus 12. Again we are going to transfer x term to one side, constant term to one side. It is exactly the same as we do in case of a simple linear equation. But the only difference in linear equation and inequations is that in inequations, when we are going to multiply or divide with a negative number, the sign of inequality reverses itself. That is the difference. So let us write 15x minus 7x is less than 12 minus 4. 15x minus 7x is less than 12 minus 4. 15 minus 7 is 8x is less than 12 minus 4 is again 8. X is less than 1. X is less than 1. Let us check it again. 15x minus 7. Yes, 8 and 7, 15. 9, 7, 16. Okay. And then 12 minus 4 is 8. 8x is, so x will also. Now if we combine these two results, solution set, because it's a set of real numbers. So x belongs to set of real numbers. And what is the way they are related? X is greater than equal to 4.5. X is greater than equal to minus 4, greater than minus 4.5, less than 1. So there is no equal to sign, it is greater than or less than. So let us see the plotting here. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. It is minus 4.5, minus 6. Minus 4.5 will be exactly between minus 4 and minus 5. And it is less than 1, and greater than 4.5, so like this. This is the graphical representation of this inequation. It is greater than minus 4.5 and less than 1. 1 is not included, 4.5 is not included, this is minus 4.5. 4.5 is not included, but all the numbers in between are there.